Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Thailand. It is 6:57 a.m. Cloudy skies. Cloudy skies with a little bit of sun, so we'll see how it works. Yesterday was gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful day. Really, really nice. Nice. Just nice. All right, let me give you an update. Let's start with the updates. TradingView.com. Horrible. Horrible. Support. Horrible. Went to PayPal. Want my money back. So no more TradingView charts, man. No more TradingView charts. I've canned them. They're gone. See ya. It's a shame because their platform was convenient. It was good. It was nice. Now we're dealing with, well, what are we going to use next? So, I work on an Apple, and I Googled yesterday, trying to find a chart that I can, Forex chart that I can put on an Apple computer. And this is what I came up with. Ava Trading. But like that's it, right? This is what you got. And like the color schemes like change. Like it is unbelievable. The color schemes change. Well, they're horrible. I mean, I don't know where they are, but the color schemes were like black background with gold, and the other one was green on a black background. So we'll see. We're probably going to go with Ninja Trader, I think. Not sure. We'll see. I'm working on charts, though. Charts are an issue. Got to have good charts. That's my opinion. You don't have good charts, you're lost, right? All right, so what's going on news-wise? Aussie just came out with their meeting minutes, and I'm going to tell you, well, it didn't come out yet. Whoa. Sorry, that's an hour and a half away. What moved the Aussie in the last hour? Whatever moved the Aussie in the last hour, I have no idea. I misread that. I thought that came out already, and it doesn't come out for another 90 minutes. So, yeah, interesting to say the least. What is going to happen there? First thing knocks out to my mind is dollar index at 94.09, and we surely saw that on the dollar pairs when I looked at my charts today. So we'll keep an eye on that. Draghi speaks today. That'll be interesting. Manufacturing sales out of Canada. And global dairy trade price index today. It's normally about 10 a.m. on Wall Street. That comes out. So that's it. What's going on with data for today. So let's take a look at what's gone on yesterday in the Big Apple. All right, oil all over the place here. Really not behaving. If you listen to what people were talking about, this thing should be up at 72 right now. But it's not doing it. It's just hanging out. It's sideways. It's moving in this, I don't even think it's a full dollar range here. So, yeah, if I was trading oil, and I wish I was, but I'm not up in the U.S. session, I'd just hold off and see what's going to happen here. Just let this thing rest for a little bit, and we'll see what's happening. Thinkorswim platform has oil at, the dollar index at 94.50 on the dollar index. Gold, really not doing much, down yesterday, starting with a doji candle today. The VIX is up to 1368. It's good to see. ESs are down. Yes, I was for about the first 90 minutes in the U.S. session, and everything was down. I mean, everything, even the big boys like Amazon and
It's 7 hours.
It's 7 hours, and Tesla, and all the big boys were down yesterday at the open. And it looks like it was just a red day for the second day in a row. We've had a red day in the markets on the ESs. Euro is basically going sideways. It hasn't done a lot. I would expect to see green on this euro really kicked off. However, when we take a look at the charts, we can see that in the last hour, these dollar pairs have really dumped for dollar strength. And I don't know what's going on, but the Aussie really took off to the downside. So I'm assuming something came out, and I haven't found it yet. Oh, I gotta love it. All right, so that's what's going on data-wise. Let's keep an eye on the dollar index. Whatever you use, just make sure you have some. I don't care what you use. you always want to make sure you can monitor what the dollar's doing or not doing. So let's see if I can do this without screwing this up too bad. I tried to do a couple of things here and just didn't work. All right, so let's take a look at the first one here, and that's going to be the Aussie. Maybe. Maybe not. There we go. All right, so the Aussie made this big tumble here. And, oh, by the way, I did a sign a quarter, kind of, sort of, maybe a survey on if people like black charts or not, and most said they'd rather have white charts. So there's a good possibility I'll change that over. Haven't quite made up my mind yet. I got to start putting some indicators on here and like fib tools and stuff like that. We'll see what it looks like. So if you want to throw me a line, you know, what you rather have, black or white. I did that a long time ago, but just let me know what you want to do here. So here we can see at this 71.45 area, if you look over here, it looks like we had a double bottom here. Now it's on there and it's bounced off. But I don't know what this big red candle came from, where it's at, what it's doing, and why. I mean, it just plowed through everything, right? It just came on back down. Now it looks like it's going to probably come back up to this 200 or this 71, I don't know, 71.50 area. It might kick back down from that level there. But, yeah, that's what's going on with the Aussie. Don't exactly know why. All right, let's take a look at the euro. This also made a move to the pop to the downside here. You know, I really don't want to short this here, right? We don't want to short this here. And then you're going to come up into 1660, 1648, that's a 200. So we're going to take this, you want to take this below the 200 exponential moving averages, okay? Below the 200 exponential moving average, we'll take it to the downside. Nice wide open space. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. Boom, right on down. We take this straight on down. Really, really nice. Let's take a look at the pound. Now, the pound I like today. This is just on the 20 EMA is now above price, and I like that, right? I'm sorry, that's the 5 EMA. Sorry. Nope, that's the 20. There's the 5. It's that little brown line right there. That's the 5. You really can't see it very much. I'll have to make that wider so you can see it. But anyhow, the 20 and the 5 are above price. And, you know, this is pushing this down a little bit. You know, I'd like to get in this. I think this is decent. You know, if we can see some sort of momentum here to go to the downside. You know, again, here's another one. If we can get below this 200 exponential moving average, wide open space, really nice. Now we can get in this and take this down. Yeah, charts, you know, charts are just so important. You know, they just are. They're just so important. Let's take a look at our New Zealand today. Is a New Zealand dollar. You know, this, again, I have no idea what came out. I will find out. And this happened all in the time that I was sitting, you know, I sat at my desk at 5:20 this morning. And, you know, this all happened within this time frame, and I have no idea what happened. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what charts I was going to use today. So, yeah, we'll see how this. I'll see what this looks like when I finish the recording. Then we'll take a look at it. And yeah, really down to the downside. Let's take a look at. See, this is one thing that I do like about this. That I can put all these charts here, and I can move from back and forth. So we'll just apply that, and that's okay. We're just loading up some more candles, my friends. There we go. Okay, so this is the New Zealand yen down to the downside. Okay. Maybe not, maybe so. Yep, okay, good, working okay. All right, let's, yeah, we'll get this together. Let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, wow, look at this. Boom to the upside, right? Now you're at some significant levels here, right? Coming up to this resistance level at 1.6340. You know, this just looks like, wow, get ready to, you know, take this back to the downside. You know, anytime you see a big candle like this, you know, it's usually an event, and they normally comes back to the mean of price. So I'm thinking this is going to come back. I think this is going to come back to this 62.90 area, somewhere in that area. I think price is going to come way back down here. Look at this 5 EMA right here. This 5 EMA is really, it's far away from price. So two things are going to happen. This is going to continue to the upside, or this 5 is going to catch up to price and it's going to come back down. We always like to see the 5 on top of price if you're going short, and of course, below price if you're going long. But this 5 is quite a way. This should be right hugging up against that last candle, and it's not. So one or two are going to happen. This is going to come to the 5, or the 5 is going to go to the last candle and continue to push to the upside. So just keep an eye on that. All right, we just want to make sure we got that straight. All right, that's what's going on today. My apologies for charts. We'll get it together. I promise you. It's just one of those things, my friends. One of those things that we got to deal with, and we're going to do it. So far, I think I really like these charts. I think my moving averages are on them already. Excuse me. We just need to figure out how we're going to, I got to work on, where my lines are at and all that stuff, trend lines, all that stuff. So we will get on it today. But yeah, TradingView is gone. Say goodbye to TradingView. Bye-bye. It's a shame. It really is a shame because, like I said to you, TradingView has a nice platform. Their platform is outstanding. But their support and service, they have no idea. Yeah, wait till they get this thing from PayPal. Oh, they're not going to be happy with me. Yeah, I slammed them. All right, traders. Technical trading day today. Not a lot of data. Just keep an eye on that. But we're getting movement in the markets. You can't say we don't have movement. Some unpredictable movement, but we have movement, and that's a great thing. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. We'll catch you tomorrow morning in Asia. Traders, have a great trading day. And always remember to have some fun. Take care, my friends. See you now. Bye-bye.